How to download Sausage Man on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're on Android and want to start downloading Sausage Man, then first of all go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and then open your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Sausage Man and search. Look for this application from XD Entertainment Pte Limited and tap on Install to begin the download process. Wait for the download to complete. It'll take a couple of minutes. While downloading the app, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. And now all you need to do is to wait for the download to complete. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the game open, sign in or create a new account if prompted, then download any additional game data and start playing. And that's how you download the Sausage Man application on your Android device, whether you are using a smartphone or a tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.